Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to dynamically create a custom 2FA authentication in your application. In our last episode, I showed you how to do this functionality by hard coding it. We hand code it. So this time around, I'm going to be showing you how you can do it in a dynamic way. Okay. What we did our last tutorial was showing you how you can hand code it. So let me show you one more time. So this is what we did last in our previous video. We show you how to do everything here, and it was hard coded. I can see everything here, and this was the email we passing, and this was the password passing. So this was typically a hard coded implementation that we did here. But this time around, I'm going to show you how you can do it in a dynamic way. First and foremost, let's go through this process so you see what I mean, what we are going to work on. If you have not watched our previous video, you can still watch it so that you know how come and back to this place and what all that we did that we did in our previous video. You can watch it. You can see that we can leave the description below. You check it out. So let me just go through this and see how it look like. So we're going to put the email here. This is the email. Then we are going to use the password. What's the password? The password is 125. Then we are going to click on sign in. So now here it has directed us back to the page where we need to enter the OTP code. Now if you take a look, once you enter the OTP code here, then you click on verify. If the OTP code is if the OTP code matches, it will now redirect to the home page or whatever page you are redirecting the user to. Okay, at this moment the user might have received the email. So let's check if we got the email in our email box. As you can see right here, the email have arrived. You can see it. If I click on it, this is the code that they sent to us. So we're going to use this code to check if it's correct or not. First and foremost, let's enter a wrong code and see what happens. So next we're going to do is click on verify button. You can see it said invalid code, enter, try again. So this time around, I'm going to enter the correct code and then I'm going to click on verify. Good, we are in. You can see everything is working. So this process was done in a dynamic way. We are going to connect this functionality to database, then compare information in database if it's correct before the user will now be redirected to the next page. Okay, if you're looking to implement this kind of functionality in your application, please stay tuned to the end of the video so you understand how to do it in a professional and secure way. All right, because as it is right here, this process is unsecured. This process is not secure, but to do in a secure way, we need to connect it to a database. So that way I'm going to show you how to do in this video. So stay tuned as we get started. Okay guys, we are back. So first thing we are going to do is to create a database. So let's go and create a database. I already created my database right here. This is my database name. So next I'm going to do is to create a table. I'm going to create a user table. So I'm going to have auto 6 fields. So I'm going to give it user ID. It's going to be integer. I'm going to give the length to be 11. You just follow what I'm doing. So next you're going to do, click on save. Good. So we have successfully created, we have successfully created the database and the table that we are going to use. So next we're going to do is to get our connection to connect our database. So I'm going to just grab the name of the database, sorry. I'll get the name of the database, go back to our code. I'm going to open our connect screen. Code. This is our connection code. So this is database. We'll go update the new database. So I'll leave the root, the username to be root, the password to be blank. But if you are using a password on your own connection, you can also put a password right there. Okay, I'm going to save it. So we are done with that. I'm going to close this page. So what we are going to do now, when the user click on sign in, what we are going to do is to create a new record into the database, also insert the OTP code, also send the OTP code to user in it. So that we're going to do now. So this is the button the user could click on. When I click on it, we'll get the information we want to get from the user. So we're going to check. Let's check the feed right here. This is the input feed, the username, and the password. So here, instead of hard coding it, we are going to create a database record in this place. So that's what you're going to do. So we're going to say if this is not empty or this is not empty, then we're going to create a new record. So that we're going to do right here. If not empty and this is not empty, so we're going to generate the two FA custom code. We'll generate the two FA custom code then. Next, we're going to create a new record to the database. To do that, what we are going to do is to let's grab the database table details and just put it here to make the video not to be too long. I'm going to explain to you. I don't want the video to be too long, so that's why you have to just do it like this. So what I'm going to do now is to get the table name. As you can see here, is our table name. I'm going to come here. I'm going to click on insert and just copy it. I think we are missing one field here. The password field is not here, so let's go and add it in our database. Come back here. Structure, we're going to have one field, so we're going to add it immediately after the email. So select here, can go. So I'm going to put password like this. You can name it any name you like, doesn't really matter. Just copy it. So this is for the date. This is the user email, and this is user password. So right here we are creating a new record inside the user table. We will check if everything is successful. Then what we are going to do is to take this inside this block. We are not doing email condition here, so let's move this. That's what the email to check email was sent or not. So no need for that. Let's just remove that for now. Okay, let's do it. So what I will do now, if this is successful, we'll run this block of code. Then redirect user to the authentication page. Yes, it's not successful. Show some error. You can take a look at it, how we're doing it. So I save it. So let's go and give it a try and see what happens if a new record will be created in our database and if a new email will be sent. Okay, I think we are missing one more thing here. the OTP code, we need to enter it into our database. We are not doing that. Yes, so this is the verification code I sent to you. We'll go put it here. Yeah, that's it. So the purpose of doing this is to make it dynamic. It's no longer going to be static format. This is a dynamic way of doing this 2FA authentication. Every other professional system you see out there, this is how it be done. The code will be sent to the database. It might be temporary or it can be there, but you have to send to a location. So the best way and the most secure and professional way to put it in your database of the application so they can compare and check. If it's correct, then you redirect user. If it's not correct, you show the user error message or whatever you want to show to the user, you cannot show it to the user. I hope that understood. All right, so let's go and give it a try. Let's go and test it, what we have done, if it's working or not. So go to the browser and just go to refresh. Then here I'm going to delete this email that we received before. I'm going to delete this. Good. I'm going to just enter my email, then I click on I'm going to use a different email this time around. Then I choose a different password. Let's see what happens. I think we have some error, so let's check it out. We have some error in our connection string. Okay, we have not included our connection string here, so let's add it. So let's try it one more time. So now let's check our email if we receive the email, and also let's check our database first. If this record is actually created in database, let's check it. I'm going to refresh the database. You can see right here the record is created successfully. It's created. We have one record now. Okay. So the next we are going to check is our email. Let's check if we receive this email. So we can see right here the emails have delivered. See, let's check it and see. This is the code I will send to our email. Let's compare if the same thing we have on database. See, the same thing we have on database. So everything is working, guys. So that's it. We have successfully implemented a dynamic 2FA custom authentication, and I'll show you how to do it in a dynamic way. So go ahead and implement it in your application. And if you have any issue, please drop your comment, let me know, and I'll be glad to assist you. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to now do the verification in a dynamic way. Okay, please, if you're not subscribed to our channel, can you subscribe? Put the like button below there so that anytime I post a video, you don't miss out of it. If you are watching on Facebook, please follow our page, share these videos for other people to also have access to it. That's the only thing you just do for me. And I'm always available if you have any question, if you have any need, want me to help you out, just drop your comment, let me know, and I'll be glad to assist you. All right, guys, thank you, and I see you in the next video.